In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate the Shopify API. Whether you're looking to enhance your online store's capabilities or streamline your business processes, integrating the Shopify API can open up a world of possibilities. So, let's dive right in and explore this step-by-step guide. First, you'll need to either sign up for a Shopify partner account or access your existing store admin. This provides the foundation for creating and managing your custom applications. When logged in, if you're using Shopify Admin, navigate to the Apps section. Here, you'll see an option for Develop Apps. This is where you can take the exciting step of creating a custom app specifically tailored to your business needs. Click on Create an App, and you'll be prompted to start the process. If you're working within the partner dashboard, the path is quite similar. Head to the Apps section, and from there, initiate creating your new app. This step is crucial because it's the gateway to customizing your Shopify experience. Now that you've taken the initial step of creating an app, it's time to assign the necessary permissions. In the development world, these are often referred to as scopes. Think of them as defining what your app is allowed to do within your Shopify store. Common scopes that you might consider include things like Read Products, which gives your app access to view product information, or Write Orders, which allows your app to create or modify orders. Customizing these scopes enables your app to function exactly as you intend and ensures that it only accesses the data that you're comfortable with. Once these permissions are set, it's time to install your app onto your store. This step is essential because it's the bridge between your newly created app and your Shopify store. After installation, you'll receive some critical pieces of information. First, you'll get the Admin API Access Token. This is central for REST and GraphQL operations, essentially allowing your app to communicate smoothly with the Shopify environment. Additionally, for OAuth flows associated with public apps, you'll be provided with an API key and secret. These credentials are what enable secure exchanges between your app and Shopify's servers. By now, you should have a custom app created with the necessary permissions tailored to the specific needs of your Shopify store. These are the critical steps in integrating Shopify's API effectively, providing you with the tools to enhance functionality and streamline operations. Thank you for following along today. We hope this guide has been enlightening and that you're now ready to take advantage of all the powerful features available through the Shopify API. Stay tuned for more insightful tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates and tips. Happy integrating!